Hello guys, today we would like to introduce a mini electric folding bike. This bike comes with a 48-volt 10.5 ampere-hour lithium battery. The hidden design keeps the battery cool and improves performance. We also provide international battery exchange and easy maintenance and service with our plug and play wiring system. The motor we use Bafang brand, 500 watts hub motor. This motor has the highest quality and efficient output. The powerful high torque, geared hub motor, provides zip when you need it. A multi-level, compact, user-friendly LCD color screen is equipped with a convenient USB port for charging phones, playing music and more. It also comes with integrated front and rear safety lights. The hydraulic disc brakes with sensor control design and motor disconnect and highest quality brake calipers that allows for single finger braking. This folding electric bike will fit in a closet or under a desk, meaning it's infinitely portable. Making this electric bike foldable means that it'll even fit in the trunk of a car or easily into an RV, so it can go anywhere with you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.